breaking updates. Divya, there is a protest going on as far as Waqf bill is concerned. Protest happening at Jantar Mantar. Muslim Personal Board versus Waqf bill, Waqf Amendment bill to be tabled. So showdown happening at this point.
That's right. So, of course, this is a protest that has started. This was planned by the All India Muslim Personal Law Board at the Jantar Mantar, like you mentioned, in protest against the Waqf Amendment Bill. Now, the All India Muslim Personal Law Board rallies against the Waqf Amendment Bill, claiming it discriminates against Muslims and threatens the Waqf properties, even as the government insists that the bill promotes development and transparency. Let's just listen into some of the reactions coming in.
जब ज्वाइंट पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी ऑन वक्फ ने ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड को इस अमेंडमेंट के बाद उस पूरी कमेटी के सामने बुलाया था, कमेटी के सामने ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड ने जो अपनी बातें रखी थी उसको हमने संज्ञान लिया था। केवल संज्ञान भी नहीं लिया था हमने, बल्कि उसको अपनी रिपोर्ट का हिस्सा भी बनाया है। अगर वो देश के इस वक्त के खिलाफ वो कर रहे हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं देश में वो लोगों के बीच में एक नफरत पैदा करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और पार्लियामेंट की उस कानून बनाने की अधिकार को, लोकतांत्रिक मूल्यों को चुनौती देने की बात कर रहे हैं।
Well, let's just go across to our colleague Anushka, who's joining us from Jantar Mantar. Well, Anushka, just take us through, the demands as to why is this protest really taking place. With the board, they're saying that the proposed legislation was a direct attack as far as Muslims are concerned. Take us through their demands.
That's right. The All India Muslim Personal Law Board has called for a public protest today against the Waqf Amendment Bill 2024. We'll show you some visuals from Jantar Mantar where the protest is right now going on. Several of the people have joined in and in fact are now, they are raising protest. We can see posters in their hands that there is written that stop politicizing Waqf. Let's go straight to them and ask them what their concerns are also. Kya naam hai aapka? So we are also seeing that several of the people here who have joined in the protest are in fact also saying that the Waqf bill, is. They are saying that the hands off Waqf also. We are also seeing that some of the protesters are in fact also here joining us. They are in fact, we'll try to talk to them. आप लोग यहाँ पर प्रोटेस्ट करने आए हैं?
जी जी।
क्या कुछ मांगे आप?
बिल वापस लिया जाए, फौरन वापस लिया जाए। हाँ।
क्या कुछ कंसर्न है इस बिल में? क्या कुछ गलत?
इसमें शक की बुनियाद पर और मुसलमानों को धोखा देने के लिए इस तरह से। हाँ।
जो कमेटी बनी है उसमें ये कहा जा रहा है।
जिम्मेदारों से अब बात कीजिए।
आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम गुड।
आपका नाम क्या है?
अभी कुछ नहीं, लीडर प्रोग्राम जिम्मेदार बात करेंगे हम फिलहाल इस बारे में।
So we are seeing all the protesters have in fact joined this protest, and this is going on at Jantar Mantar. The stage is set, and we're also seeing that the All India Muslim Personal Law Board has called upon a public protest, and right now also in Jantar Mantar several of the people have joined here. All of them are raising slogans against the Waqf Amendment Bill and are also in fact demanding that this bill should be taken back. Over to you.